Hi guys, welcome to Crypto World with AZ. After my previous video, I have received very overwhelming response from all of you and received multiple messages and tweets that people want me to explain all these points in detail. So today I will be elaborating all these points so you can buy Bitcoin and the legit ways to buy Bitcoin. Yes, and I have divided all these into parts, starting with the basic essentials. Basic essential mean you need to have if you want to buy Bitcoin. Obviously, starting with point one, you need to have money. Either in the shape of credit card or you are having an account in any of your banks, so you can buy Bitcoin. And to credit card, you can buy Bitcoin directly through Paybase, and there are many other mediums available as well. You can find the Paybase link in below description of the video. And after that, the second step would be that you need to convert your fiat currency to Bitcoin. There are two kind of exchanges operating right now. Number one, who can convert your fiat to Bitcoin, and other who can convert your Bitcoin to other altcoins. And I will prefer Coinbase, Gemini, Bitfinex, CX.io, CoinMama, and HitBTC. Coinbase is in only 40 countries at this moment, so there is probability that you have to use other exchanges or exchange. It's totally up to you. Once you are done with that, you need another account on exchange where you can convert your BTCs, Bitcoins to other altcoins or cryptocurrency, the smaller altcoins which you cannot find on these big exchanges. So for that, what you need to do is you need to enroll yourself on exchange. The most legit exchanges I know so far is Binance on the top. After that, I will prefer Bittrex, KuCoin, and Kraken. But experience with Binance was awesome. I had that experience, and if you are a beginner, you should try it. And you can also do trading on Binance. After that, once you are done with all these purchasing, now what you need to do is you need to have a right wallet with you. Although all these exchanges provide you wallet where you can store your money, but I believe that your money should be stored on your own devices like laptops, desktops, or mobiles. So today I will be preferring desktop, and that is the Exodus. That is an app you have to run on your desktops. If for mobile, I will prefer IDO, the best app so far I know, and the hardware which is the most secure ledger, and it is a USB device which is the most secure so far. So I believe that I have covered all the queries you people have asked. If I have missed anything, please leave your comments below, and thank you.
Make the ground shake.